Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to change your name on Twitter. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the top left corner. From the side panel, tap on your name. Tap on Edit Profile. Here tap on the name. Now clear your name and enter your new name. Then tap on Save from the top right corner. And you will change your name on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to change your name on Twitter. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.